Hi, my name is Diana Larson. I'm with the Larson Law Office here in Houston, Texas, and today we're going to talk about name changes. And the first situation of a name change is in a divorce. People sometimes ask, I'm getting a divorce, does that automatically change my name back to my maiden name? The answer is no. Typically, you need to ask for a name change and have it granted in your divorce decree. That typically changes your name back to a maiden name or a previously used name. But those are granted in divorces. People then also ask the second question, which is, what if I don't want to change my last name? Do I need to change my name if I'm getting divorced? And the answer is no. Actually, you can keep your married name. And sometimes there are lots of considerations for those. First, do you have children? Do you want to keep your same last name as your children? Does that make it a better situation for you? Another consideration is, are you known professionally under your married name? So are there reasons why you want to maintain that married last name even when you are divorced? But then people ask, what if I got divorced but I didn't change my name, or the divorce decree does not provide for a name change? Well, you can still actually get your name changed, and that requires filing a lawsuit for a name change. There's a fingerprint card and a couple background checks that need to be done. And then you go to court and ask the court to have your name changed. This is just even if you just don't like your name. What has nothing to do necessarily with a divorce. It makes it easier if you explain that you're doing it because you didn't get your name changed in a divorce and now you want to go back to your married name or a previous name. But you can also just change your name, and the courts will grant those based on whether or not that name change is a good name, why you're changing it, is it a name that's already used, things of that sort. But you can then petition the court to actually change your name. Like I said, if it's going back to a married name, a maiden name, the courts are generally going to grant those. But you will have to attest that you're not trying to avoid creditors and you're not avoiding criminal charges of any such. If the answers to those questions are yes, then the court generally will, if the background check and the fingerprints come back, that they will grant those name changes. If you have questions about name changes, either in your divorce or outside of a divorce, feel free to give us a call. My name is Diana Larson. I'm with the Larson Law Office, and we can be reached at 713-221-9088.